guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lesseth. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. This video is on my holiday makeup look and I really like how it turned out. I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows today. For concealer, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in color 20 Sand. I really like this concealer. I've been using it for a while now. I also use the Nars one and a couple of other ones, but I like to use this one. Next, to set my eyes, I'm going to be using Mercier's setting powder. Now moving on to the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I use a little bit of the highlight from this palette on my eyes. That much. To do my eyebrows, I will be using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I always brush out my brows before I start doing them. The palette that I'm going to use today is the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be using the shade Love as a transition shade. Oh, this shade is so pretty. I'm really liking how it's blending out. The next palette I'm going to be using is Modern Renaissance. So I'm applying the shade Real Gar on my crease, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that all out. I'm going to grab the brush I was using for the Love shade. I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out. Before I apply the next shade onto my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with my setting spray by Pixie Skin Treats. Oh my goodness, this looks so pretty! Now I'm going to go back in with the shade Love and go ahead and blend out my whole eye. I finished my eyeliner and I went off camera and applied some mascara and some false eyelashes. For this look, I'm actually going to be trying a new foundation that I got yesterday. I bought it at Bloomie's and I decided to go with another Nars foundation. I've been using the Radiant Longwear one a lot lately, but I decided to switch it up and I went and bought the Sheer Glow. The color that I got is medium 1 Punjab. I had a girl that was working there match this shade on me, only because it's a different kind of foundation and I also wanted to see if they got anything different. So this is the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. So I went to Bloomingdale's to buy the Nars foundation, and they also gave me a couple of goodies, just like free stuff to try, and I think I'm going to be trying out one of the lipsticks that they gave me. But so for this foundation, it doesn't come with the pump that you need in order to pump it out. I'm not sure why, but I ended up buying one. I think it's around $6 or $7. I'm going to have to put in the pump into my foundation. So here we go. Actually, from the feel of it so far, I feel like a little bit does go a long way. To blend this all out, I'm going to be using a foundation brush. Ooh, I'm telling you, this is the perfect color for me. So she was telling me that for this kind of coverage, for this foundation, it is a medium coverage, which is fine. I mean, I like full coverage, but you can always apply more if necessary. Thick, it's really lightweight, and I actually like the coverage of it. You just really need to blend it out really well. I really like it. This could definitely become a go-to. Now moving on to concealer. I apply the concealer in all the areas I really want to highlight and conceal. To do my contour, I will be using the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette Contour. This is the e.l.f. contouring brush. Now the brush I'm going to be using to blend this all out is also by e.l.f. and it's the Ultimate Blending Brush. Now I'm going to go back into the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette and I will be using the highlight. I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out. I'm going to go into the shade Real Gar and I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line so it can blend together with the rest of my eyeshadow. Now we're moving on to highlight. I'm going to be using two highlighter palettes. The first one I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild highlighter palette in the color Precious Petals. I'm going to apply that highlighter on my brow bone. For the second highlighter I will be using, it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting spray onto my highlight brush before I apply the highlighter. The lip liner that I'm going to be using today is by Sonia Kashuk and the color is True Red. And the lipstick I will be using is by Nars. It's called Star Woman. Now to finish off the look, the last thing I need is my setting spray. There you have it, guys. This is the final look. This look is perfect for any event or occasion this holiday season, and I hope you guys love it. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.